Hey, we're your Walmart Radio DJs. I'm Antonio.
And I'm Bo, and we're the guys that you hear while you're working or you're shopping.
And here at Walmart, we're practicing new things to bring you a better shopping experience.
We're implementing what is called the 6-20-100 rule. And what that means is 6 foot social distancing, 20-second hand washing, and if you have a temperature of 100 degrees or more, stay home. We've adjusted our hours in the store. This is so our associates can clean and get the store stocked up for you, the customer.
And buy only what you need. We're working around the clock to make sure our shelves are stocked.
And remember to keep it small. Go to the store with as few people as possible. And here's another tip to reduce contact.
Yes, you can download the Walmart app and use Walmart Pay.
Or Antonio, they can also use our online grocery pickup and delivery service.
And help our seniors shop first. Allow our most at-risk groups to shop our stores in the early hours.
And thank you so much for being patient with us. Remember, we're all in this together. So here's what we're doing today to help. You'll begin to see those floor decals in stores promoting social distancing of 6 foot or more.
And we also adjusted our store hours. We closed overnight, that way we can get a deep clean and stock our shelves.
And speaking of cleaning, you'll begin to see associates wearing a special backpack and spraying down and sanitizing our carts and wipe down the handles.
And we're making masks and gloves available to any associates that want to wear them.
So as you can see, we're doing a lot of things today, and we'll continue to do a lot of things for our associates and customers to make your shopping experience safer.
Yes, and we want to thank you guys for shopping with us. I'm Antonio.
And I'm Bo, and thanks for shopping at Walmart.